Hello, welcome back. Delia here with the cleaning group. On our last video, we shared a clutter desk test to help you decide if you have your desk clutter under control or not. On this video, we will focus on sharing ways to organize your desk. First, let's talk about why you should organize your desk. Then we share 10 easy steps you can take to organize your desk and reduce clutter so you can easily find what you are looking for. Keeping your desk organized can help you be more productive and help reduce stress at work. An organized desk makes it easier to find the project you are working on. Also, it makes it much simpler to begin new projects. Reducing the time you spend looking for the needed items means you have more time to concentrate on the project that you are working on. Most likely you have some kind of area on your desk that you can divide into several spaces for different use, like writing, reading, and computing. Sort your desktop spaces by removing unnecessary things and assign sections for each use. Desks are used to hold the necessary supplies to complete a particular assignment, and the items can vary depending on the project. Choose the items you will need for the project you're working on. For example, a phone, notepad, and calendar, and keep them within reach. Decide what should remain on the desk and clear the rest. Maybe a desk lamp, a pencil holder, and 2 extra accessories. For more desk space, you may choose different forms of lighting, like floor lamps. Use the space around the desk for additional storage. You can add a table, cabinet, or a bookcase to store personal belongings and trinkets. If there is wall space, use it to hang shelves to display items. You can also hang pictures and even mugs. Pegboards and bulletin boards can also be used. Select drawers or cabinets to store items according to task. Instead of spending time figuring out which drawer has what you were looking for, sort supplies into categories. Give each category its own place. For example, staplers and staples. Or color code pens, markers, highlighters, etc. Also organize them according to how often you use them. For desks without drawers, use storage caddies for frequently used items such as pens and pencils. Caddies can be kept on top of the desk for easy access or on the table or cabinet next to the desk. To keep track of what goes into each caddy, organize the supplies by sorting by color. Paper clutter adds up quickly, making it challenging to find one specific document. To reduce paper clutter, use letter trays. Organize them into specific categories such as in, out, answer, or discard. Identify what you need and what you have. If supplies are running low, it can take longer to complete your work. Maintain regular inventory and restock on sticky notes, rubber bands, staples, and other items that require restocking. Paper items can quickly take up space on your desk. Therefore, keep a trash can close to the desk and throw away all phone messages, ideas, documents, and other unneeded items. And empty the trash can at the end of the week. Establish a plan to review your desk once a week and sort the tasks that are finished from those that are still pending. Remove any items that you finished or are no longer using and place them in their correct spot. And don't forget to empty the trash can. Please let us know what type of videos you would like to see in the future. Follow us on social media and visit our website. If you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful, consider subscribing for more and turn on your notifications bell. Until next time, thank you for watching.